back at it today. I got the insulation on the wall hung. I didn't show that in the last video. I'll show that now. Next step in here is I got to put the insulation, install the insulation in on the wall. Also have to, I've got some of these strips right here, and I'm gonna have to put these right up against this beam, one right here and then one up here, so this sets somewhat flush, so when the sheetrockers come in here they have something to nail the sheetrock to. So I also have to do that. Today, me and Bill's supposed to be here pretty early. We're gonna wire some more can lights in the new dining room and the kitchen. Bill's here, right on time. Actually, he's early.
The door is open here. You don't want to crowd it too much, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So, as long as you got 3 foot from them cabinets to where it starts, because 3 foot's plenty to get through, you know. But you're wanting 2 can lights here,
Yeah, and then the hanging thing.
and then another can light over there or something? What'd you say?
No.
Well,
A can light, and then the,
so 2 can lights here,
And a penny.
yeah.
and then here, but nothing right here.
What we talked about.
Yeah, it was.
No, it wasn't.
It was. We talked about
No,
maybe
it
doing
was
3
1, 2,
in
and
here.
then we said 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yeah. That's what, I wouldn't put one there.
2,
4.
3, 4, and then 1 in the hall.
Okay, yeah. So where is this table gonna be?
About
What
right
are you
here.
gonna center it in?
Well, I think that's the deal, right, with the can lights, is if we just go can lights, you could kind of put your table wherever, right? Wouldn't you?
Well, you
Well, it's
still,
either gonna go this way or it'll go this
Yeah.
way.
okay. You know, there's just an area right in here. We don't need to come way over here and put
Yeah.
a can light. We need
Yeah.
to drop back
I got you.
over here.
Yeah.
Yeah, that would make
And so, what if we line them up with this area here? You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Come in here and put a can light, and come in here and then come over here about the same distance
Yeah.
as that wall is, and do the same thing over here.
Yeah.
That'll give you that big a area to set the table in,
Yeah.
which is about a 9 by 9. So they put the center of the table about right here, which would give you plenty of room for a chair over there. Now you're probably not gonna be able to come out of here and walk through there, but you're probably not gonna do that anyway.
Yeah, I think more likely.
More likely the traffic's gonna be right
traffic
through
will
here.
be right through here, yeah. 100%. That looks good. That's cool.
This is lit.
I see what you did there.
Start it up.
Then trace it out.
And that way it holds it in center, you know,
Yep.
without having trying to hold the sucker and
Yep.
mark it.
Alright.
This yellow wire,
Yep. We'll go to that hole. The van or the
that white wire
Yep.
goes to this hole,
Okay.
and then we'll go from there. Quite good.
I'm coming.
I think you'll be able to see.
Oh yeah. Looks good. So we got a leak in our roof under the carport, and we've been trying to figure it out. So got a water hose, we're going to squirt it up there and see where exactly the leak is. Right here is our other leak that we got. So we're just going to patch it for now. We're going to be installing a new roof pretty soon, but we don't want all our good sheetrock that we're about to hang get ruined. So
It's about 8 inches long to do this side. Well, if I can get this $5 knife, let me see yours. You can get it out there.
boom.
Is that safe?
No.
That's what I thought. I'll just cut a piece and put it in there. Just lay that until it's here.